This is Year 12 method. It's graphing the addition of modulus functions and it's using the graphing method. I've got the modulus of x minus 5 plus the modulus of x plus 1. What I'd like to do is to graph this and this separately on the one set of axes and then add the coordinates together. Okay, so if I want to graph those, if I'm looking at the graph of x minus 5 first, that's the modulus of x that's been moved to the right 5, so it's going to be here, and it's going to go up through that point, where that point there is 10, 5, and it's going to go up through here with the graph of minus 1. So that's what that graph's going to look like. If I wish to write to graph x plus 1, that's going to be moved across to here, negative 1. It's also going to have a gradient of 1. That's what its gradient is. Okay, this has a gradient of negative 1, that has a gradient of negative 1, it's gradient of positive 1, it's gradient of negative 1, it's gradient of negative 1, positive 1, positive 1, positive 1. If I was to put some tram tracks down where the moduluses touch the x-axis, these gradients cancel themselves, so therefore I'm going to have a horizontal line, and that horizontal line will be 1 plus 5, which is 6, 1 plus 5, which is 6, so therefore I'm going to have a horizontal line across at 6. Here I have a gradient of 1 plus 1, I end up with a gradient of 2, so I'm going to end up with a steeper line. Here I've got a gradient of negative 1 and negative 1, therefore negative 2, I'm going to have a steeper line, and the pink one shows what the end result is.